Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives, revolutionizing industries and creating new job opportunities. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, AI has significantly impacted the way we live and work. In the healthcare sector, AI is being used to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in drug discovery. This has not only improved patient care, but has also created demand for professionals with expertise in AI and data science. In the retail industry, AI-powered chatbots and recommendation engines have enhanced customer experiences and increased sales. This has led to the creation of new roles such as AI specialists, data analysts, and customer experience managers. Moreover, AI has the potential to streamline processes in various sectors, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. For example, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots can perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Overall, AI has the power to generate jobs, improve efficiency, and enhance our daily lives in countless ways. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for AI are endless, and the impact on the job market and society as a whole will only continue to grow.